bear true allegiance to the All Progressive Congress, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God. Idan an kai wurin mukaminka in ka zo wurin as sai ka waje matsayinka. I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the All Progressive Congress. That as caretaker committee of the All Progressive Congress, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the All Progressive Congress and the law, and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the All Progressive Congress. I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decision. That I will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the All Progressive Congress. That I will abide by the code of conduct contained in the Constitution of the All Progressive Congress. That in all circumstances I will do right to all manner of people according to law, without fear or favour, affection or ill will. That I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as caretaker committee of the All Progressive Congress, except as may be required for the discharge of my duty as caretaker committee, and that I devote myself to the service and well-being of the members of the party. So help me God.